So hi guys, good afternoon everyone. I appreciate everyone taking time to join today's meeting. So as you all know, the Melodies of Hope or the Christmas charity concert is just around the corner, and we've got a lot to cover, guys. So before we get into our agendas today, let's do a quick round of introductions. So I'll start mine first. I'm Lamar, your president, and my role is to ensure this event comes together seamlessly and aligns with our goals. So, Jamal, how about you introduce yourself?
So, hello everyone. I'm Jamal, your secretary, and I'll be the one to ensure to record and have the minutes of the meeting of this meeting. And my job is to keep track of today's discussion, document decisions, and make sure everything is organized and on schedule. I'll also be assisting with the promotions to spread the word about our concert and our activities. Yeah.
So, hello everyone. So, my name is Hakim, the event coordinator of this group, this Christmas charity concert. So, I'm responsible for managing the performers, ensuring the venue is perfect, and making sure the technical aspects of the event go smoothly.
Hey everyone, and I'm Deshaun, your finance manager, and I'm in charge of budgeting and securing the sponsorships and ensuring we meet our fundraising goals for the children's homes.
Great. So nice meeting you all, guys. And now that we're all set, here's the agenda for today's meeting. So here's the flow, guys. I would say this. This is much more like our activities that we would like to set up on the day. So the number one would be event details and program flow. Number two would be objectives and fundraising strategies. Number three, performer updates and rehearsals. Number four is budget and sponsorship updates. Number five is event marketing and ticket sales strategies. And last but not the least is enhancing the concert experience. So Jamal, make sure to take note everything of this, especially our action points. And aside from that, let's start with Hakim's update on the event programs and logistics. So, what can you say about it, Hakim?
So, thank you, Lamar. So, I think the Melodies of Hope concert scheduled for December 16th from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the University Auditorium or the University Court. So we have an exciting lineup, including the CIT Choir, solo student performers, and a surprise guest act to close the evening. Here's the draft program flow. So the opening, Lamar, our president, will give a welcoming speech, followed by a group carol performance. So the main performances, eight different acts, each lasting about 10 minutes. Next is the intermission. We'll have a raffle draw and a video showcasing the charity we're supporting. Last but not the least, the finale. A large group of performance and a sing-along with the audience. That's all.
Wow. Okay, thank you, Hakim. That sounds great. So, for the intermission, Deshaun, Deshaun, let's display a live donation tracker to show our audience how much we've raised so far. It could have motivate them to give more.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm more excited about the surprise guest, like who will it be? Juan Carlos or something like. So I'll set that up. And I also make sure that the
Okay,
donation
good, good.
process is easy and accessible for everyone attending.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So, Jamal, can you make sure this tracker is coordinated between Hakim and Deshaun so that we would know the activities and the flows of the events? So, how about it, Jamal?
Yes, Mr. President, on it. And I'll check with both of them to finalize the technical setup for the tracker. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Jamal. So, now let's move on to our main objectives. So, our primary goal is to raise 15,000 pesos for the children's home while we provide a memorable Christmas experience for our audience. So let's discuss that way to boost our fundraising during the event and more from that also. So Deshaun, what can you say about this?
Aside from ticket sales, I suggest that we set up a donation booth near the entrance and sell Christmas themes, souvenirs like ornaments and small trinkets for additional contributions.
Okay,
Also,
okay,
we could
good.
we could also host a silent auction for during the intermission. I'll reach out to local businesses to donate items like gift baskets or vouchers that we can auction it off.
Okay, nice idea. Both are great ideas. Let's also set up a wish tree so that we attendees can write their holiday wishes and hang them on the tree. So what can you say about this, guys? And also, it will add up a special touch to the event as atmosphere. So, Jamal?
Okay, Mr. President, I'm currently jotting it down. So, as far as I can say, it is a very good idea all around, and I'll
Uh,
make sure the donation booth, silent auction, and wish tree are ready. And I'll also send out the emails to businesses and manage the setup details.
Okay, thank you, Jamal. Just make sure that the wish tree are very beautiful. The decorations are clearly for, like fantastic decorations on the tree. So,
yes.
Hakim, how are we doing with the performers?
So all performers are confirmed, and rehearsals are scheduled every Friday evening at the auditorium. So from that, each act gets a 30-minute slot, and we've reserved extra time before the concert for final rehearsals. And also, I've lined up backup performers just in case.
Okay, okay. Good thinking, Hakim. That's great also. So let's also ensure all performers follow a Christmas themed dress code so that they are all organized the area of the event. So Jamal, can you handle sending out reminders about this to them? Can you message them?
Yeah, consider it done, Mr. President, and I'll draft and send an email to all performers right after the meeting as soon as possible.
Okay, okay, good. So my message on marketing and ticket sales strategy, I think we should more focus on. Okay, wait. So Jamal, since you're handling promotions, what's your plan for marketing and ticketing sales?
Yeah.
As I've written and recorded, I've outlined an social media campaign, including countdown posts, performers spotlights, and features about the charity. For ticket sales, I'll work with Mr. Hakim to set up the online platform and manage an on-campus sales booth. So, early bird tickets will be available for 80 pesos, and regular tickets will be 100 pesos for students and 150 pesos for the public. And I'm also proposing a group discount for four people, tickets of 350 pesos.
Yeah. Don't forget to reach out to alumni, and they'll likely want to contribute more, knowing it's for a good cause.
Yeah, good point.
But yeah,
So
by the way, the price, it's a friendly price, you know.
yes. That's a very
Yeah, I
great
agree with
idea.
that too.
So that's a really good point. So I'll draft an email to the alumni, like Juan Carl, right? So I'll also as the association and manage follow-ups.
Okay, that's good. Nice idea, guys. So finally, let's discuss ideas to make the events even more special. So Hakim, what can you say about the event to make it more even special?
Mm. Mhm. So how about Christmas Carol sing along with the audience at the end? How about it? So I guess it will bring everyone together and leave a lasting impression towards the concert that we will
Yeah,
conduct.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah.
It's a
I
very
agree with
good.
that. So Dishon, what can you say about Hakim's idea?
Yeah, that's a very good idea. But we should also hold a best dress code contest. Like attendees can show off their Christmas attire. Yeah, and we'll award them. I will award the winners. Something small price like gift baskets like that.
I think both ideas were excellent. So I think I'll organize the sing along and the contest, and I'll make sure the attendees know about them in advance in order for them to be ready and pop the gas at the event.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys.
Sir.
Nice ideas, nice insights about the event to make it more even special. So great collaboration today, everyone. That's great. And Jamal, can you please send out a summary of the meeting and confirm all tasks that we could need to we need to be done. And also let's reconvene on Monday to finalize everything out. So let's meeting again on Monday, guys.
Certainly will do, Mr. President. I've
Yeah.
already recorded and jotted down all the points we've talked about, all the flow and the events that will happen, and it is complete. So I ensure everyone they can get their action points and follow up before the meeting.
Okay, great. Thank you. So thanks to all of you, team. And I'm confident this event will be a huge success and bring joy to everyone's involved. So let's make this happen. So
Yeah.
thank
Make
you
sure that
guys.
the surprise
Yeah,
guest
let's
is
do it,
one of
Let's
our
go,
guys,
guests.
let's go,
for the
Yeah,
guys.
let's go. Let's
charity.
go. Good luck to
For the
us
children, guys.
and thank you.